What is up, y'all? It's 7-6, and today I'm going to show you guys how Phora made To the Moon. Now, I know the song is a year old now, but I wanted to show exactly how it was made. So, to start, the song was composed of a sample, and that sample is Alex Isley's Into Orbit. So, first off, I'm going to show you guys the original sample, what Phora used, and what inspired, him to make To the Moon. So, first off, I'm going to play you guys kind of what he sampled, pretty much. So as you can tell, that's the original. I'm going to show you what Phora did to make it sound his way and how he got the higher pitched vocal effect. So pretty much the tempo of the song is at 110 BPM. So what he did is he time stretched the samples down to about 8-bar loops. So that's how he got his higher pitched vocal effect. So I'm going to show you exactly what you do and how you get that. So I just time stretched it right now, and I'm going to play it for you, and I'm going to show you how it sounds exactly like the original.
Take me to the moon. I wanna be with the stars. Send me into orbit.
Now I'm going to play the second sample that's in the song. I'm going to play it slow down first, and then I'm going to high pitch it so you can see how it all matches up together. So this is a slow down version.
Take me to the moon. I wanna be with the stars. Send me into orbit. I wanna be, yeah.
Now I'm going to high pitch it by time stretching it. And now this is what they sound like together.
Send me into orbit. Oh, take me to the moon. I wanna be with the stars.
Now these two samples pretty much make the entire song. So for the rest of the tutorial, I'm going to kind of arrange the beat and show you exactly how Phora made it and how it was all put together. I'm going to show the effects, and yeah, let's just get into it. So first things first, the song consists of 4 8-bar loops, and those 4 8-bar loops are pretty much the first sample. So I'm going to go ahead and add those in. So there's 4 right there, and then right after the 4 comes a 16-bar loop, and that is the second sample. And then right after there's 2 more 8-bar loop samples. And then right after that is Phora's outro verse. So I'm going to go ahead and add 2 16-bar loops. And then right after the 2 16s is 2 8s. And then the outro, which is just 1 16. And that is pretty much how the entire song was layered out. So now I'm going to start adding the effects and what additional production was added into the song. So first off, the song fades in through a master volume. So I'm going to go ahead and add a master volume to the song. And I'm going to fade it in. So it sounds like this. And then I'm going to add an outro volume to where it kind of fades off. And it sounds like this.
I wanna be, yeah, to the moon. I wanna be with the stars. Send me into.
And the next part is I'm going to add an EQ in the beginning, because in the original production, Phora's production, The intro comes in very subtle, and then after the first 8-bar loop, everything kind of hits at once. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the master channel. I'm going to open up Paramagic EQ2, go to presets. I'm going to add the radio effect. And then I'm going to open that up as an automation clip. So I'm going to have the first 8-bar loop all with a high pass filter, and then the rest is just going to be dropped off. So we're going to go ahead and add that in there. And this is what it sounds like now. So as far as effects, that's pretty much everything in arrangement. The one last element to the song is that in each verse and the outro, there's a snap added. So I'm going to go ahead and add the snap into the song now. I'm going to go ahead and play that now. And the snap's at a little bit of a higher volume, so I'm going to go ahead and drop it a little bit. So that makes it subtle. So that is pretty much how Phora made To the Moon. That's everything. Every little effect, every little EQ, every sample that he used in it, and just the snaps. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, share. We're going to be dropping more tutorials on this channel, more cookups, more vlogs. We're just going to try to put out as much content as we can as a team. So yeah, if you want to see more tutorials like this where we break down songs, go ahead and comment. We see everything. Yeah, that's pretty much it for me. I'm SEVNSIX. I'll catch you guys later.